At number 2, we have the AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit. The AuraGlow kit stands out due to its effective and fast-acting whitening capabilities. The kit combines a powerful LED light with a dental-grade 35% carbamide peroxide gel to deliver professional-level whitening results at home. This combination is designed to remove stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, and smoking in just 30 minutes per day. The primary ingredient, 35% carbamide peroxide, is a well-known and clinically proven whitening agent. It works by breaking down into hydrogen peroxide, which then penetrates the tooth enamel to remove deep stains. The LED light in the kit accelerates this process by activating the whitening molecules, making the treatment more effective and faster compared to using the gel alone. The kit includes 2 syringes of the whitening gel, providing enough for 20 treatments. The gel is formulated with additional ingredients like glycerin, urea peroxide, propylene glycol, xylitol, and mentha piperita oil, all of which help to ensure the treatment is safe for enamel and does not cause sensitivity or irritation. This makes it suitable for use on natural teeth without harming caps, crowns, or veneers. Using the AuraGlow kit is straightforward. After charging the LED light, you apply a thin line of the gel to the tray, place it in your mouth, and turn on the light. The device automatically turns off after 30 minutes, signaling the end of the session. For best results, it is recommended to repeat this process daily for at least 7 days.